Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about transformations. Transformations are everywhere in the world around us, from the way we move our bodies to the way that images are created on a computer screen. Imagine a soccer ball in the middle of a soccer field. It moves all around the field in many directions, but it always stays the same size and shape. That's called a translation. Now imagine you're standing in front of a mirror. You raise your right arm and your reflection raises its left arm. You turn around and your reflection turns around. That's a reflection. Finally, imagine you're sitting in a car on a Ferris wheel. As the Ferris wheel is turning, the car you are riding in is taking you up, down, and around. That's a rotation. These are just 3 examples of real-world transformations. In this video, we're going to learn how to use these movements to create new images of shapes. The 3 types of transformations that I'm going to show you today are called rigid movements because they preserve distances and angles. Just like this soccer ball moving all around the field, a rigid movement does not change its size or shape. It's just in a different place or orientation on the field. A translation is a movement or a slide of a shape from one place to another. It's like sliding a shape across a piece of paper. To translate a shape, you need to know the direction and distance of the movement. For example, if you translate or slide this blue trapezoid 3 units up and 6 units to the right, the new red trapezoid will be 3 units up and 6 units to the right of the original blue trapezoid. In this rigid movement transformation, the blue figure slides to form the red one. The translated shape is called the image, and so the red trapezoid is a translation of the blue one. A reflection is a flip of a shape over a line. It's like looking at a shape in a mirror. To reflect a shape, you need to know the line of reflection. For example, if you reflect a triangle over the y-axis, the new triangle will be a mirror image of the original triangle, but it will be flipped over. And we can see that the blue triangle figure flipped to form the red one. So we say that the red figure is a reflection of the blue figure. Now let's look at a rotation. It is a turn of a shape around a point. It's like spinning a shape on a turntable. To rotate a shape, you need to know the center of rotation and the angle of rotation. For example, if you rotate a trapezoid counterclockwise 90 degrees around the center edge, the new image will be turned 90 degrees to the left, or counterclockwise, of the original trapezoid. So the blue figure rotates 90 degrees to form the red figure, and we say that the red figure or image is a rotation of the blue one. Transformations are all around us in the real world. For example, when you walk, you are translating your body from one place to another. When you look in the mirror, you are seeing a reflection of yourself. And when a car turns a corner, it is rotating around the center of the turn. Transformations are also used in many different areas of math, such as geometry, trigonometry, and calculus. And they can be used in computer graphics, animation, and video games. Well, I hope this video has helped you better understand what transformations are and how they are used. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more math fun adventures and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Keep exploring, keep transforming, and keep having fun with math. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.